Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into Jujutsu, a Rust-based version control system that's making waves. It's a fascinating alternative to Git, offering a fresh perspective on managing code changes.
Exciting stuff!
I've heard whispers about it, but I'm a creature of habit with Git. What makes Jujutsu so special? Is it just a Git front-end, or is there something fundamentally different?
It's more than just a front-end, although you can use it with your existing Git repos. The core difference lies in its approach to changes. In Git, you have commits, which are immutable snapshots. In Jujutsu, you have changes, which are mutable. Think of it like this. In Git, you commit, and that's it. In Jujutsu, you can modify a change before it's finalized.
Mutable changes? That sounds risky. How does it handle conflicts then? Git's conflict resolution can be a real headache.
That's the beauty of it. Jujutsu handles conflicts as a first-class citizen. A change can be conflicted, but that doesn't halt your workflow. You can still work on other changes, edit the conflicted one, or create new changes on top of it. The system doesn't block you. It just flags the conflict for your attention. It's incredibly elegant.
So no more being stuck in a Git rebase hell? That's a huge selling point. What about the workflow itself? How does it compare to Git's branching model?
Jujutsu uses bookmarks instead of branches. Bookmarks don't automatically move when you add new changes. You have to set them manually. This gives you more control, especially when working with stacked pull requests. Imagine having multiple PRs, each building on the previous one. In Git, rebasing becomes a nightmare. In Jujutsu, you can edit a change in any PR, and everything automatically rebases itself.
It's magical.
That sounds incredibly efficient. But what about the learning curve? Is it steep for someone already comfortable with Git?
Surprisingly, no. The core concepts are different, but the overall workflow is intuitive once you grasp the mutable change concept. The JJ undo command alone is worth the switch. It's like having a time machine for your commits. Plus, the JJ log command gives you a really clear and concise view of your changes. It's just so much cleaner.
You mentioned stacked PRs. Could you elaborate on how Jujutsu simplifies that process?
Absolutely. With stacked PRs in Git, fixing a mistake in an earlier PR requires manual rebasing of all subsequent PRs. In Jujutsu, you simply edit the problematic change, and the system automatically rebases everything.
It's a game changer for collaborative workflows.
You can even use JJ git push bglob multipart to push all related bookmarks at once.
That's impressive. Are there any other compelling features you'd like to highlight?
Oh, definitely. The RevSet expression language is incredibly powerful. It allows you to manipulate and query your changes in very sophisticated ways. And the JJ new command, with its A and B flags for squishing changes before or after others, is incredibly useful for managing your changes efficiently. It's all very well integrated and consistent. It's a joy to use.
It sounds like Jujutsu offers a compelling alternative to Git, especially for complex workflows. The mutable changes and seamless conflict resolution are particularly attractive. Thanks for the insightful overview.
My pleasure. I highly recommend checking out the resources mentioned in the original article. There are some great tutorials and blog posts that delve even deeper into Jujutsu's capabilities. And remember, even if you don't switch completely, using Jujutsu as a Git front-end can still significantly improve your workflow.
Thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News.
Have a great day.
Bye-bye.